lights flash in the dark. I know you're coming back, aiming at my heart. And these things never come from me.
Good morning, y'all. This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel. And this morning, or this afternoon, I guess it's 1 o'clock, I'm going to fix I don't know what it is. I've got a pound of hot sausage, just your breakfast, Jimmy Dean breakfast sausage. I've got a pound of that sausage in here, the hot, and then I've got a pound of regular in here. I've got 16 ounces of button mushrooms. I've got 1 onion about that big, probably medium onion, and I've got 4 of the baby peppers. It's red and yellow in here, and I'm cooking this in my Ninja Foodi, and I'm just letting it get cooked, and then I'm going to put crushed tomatoes in here and diced tomatoes and Cellentani. It's let me show you. That's how I pronounce it. It's like corkscrew. That's how it's spelled. Cellentani is what I would say, but I don't know. And then it's corkscrew. Golly. Corkscrews. Macaroni. Alright, so I'm just letting this cook right now and make sure that all the sausage is done. And then I'll bring you back when I get to the next part of this. I've got to drain the grease off of here, and I will bring you back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Alright, so this is done now, and it's really not that much grease in here to worry about getting this out and you know, straining it or whatever, so I'm not going to do that because that is fat, and fat does give it flavor. That's right, we just flavorful people right here. Alright, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to try to cook the Cellentani in here and not get a burn notice. So what I'm doing is I've got a 28-ounce jar of crushed tomatoes. I'm going to put those in here. Alright, I'm going to put some water in here. Alright, and I have just a regular can, 14.5 ounces of diced tomatoes. I'm going to put those in here. Alright, and I don't have to rinse that out. And then I've got I'd say this is about 18 ounces of water. I'm going to put some in the crushed tomato jar and swish it around and get the rest of those tomatoes. I'm putting the whole cup of water in here. Alright. Alright, so here's the rest of the water. I'm going to put that in here. I've already put salt and pepper. I forgot to tell y'all that, I think. I put about a teaspoon of salt and probably 3/4 of a teaspoon of pepper in here. Alright, so let me open this. And I'm going to pour this whole box. This is a 16-ounce or pound box of Cellentani. I'm going to put this in here. I'm not going to stir this around. I'm going to push this down and hope that it's enough liquid in here, but I think it is. It looks like it is. Make sure that all of your pasta is pushed down over, you know, so that the water is coming over it, and it is. So hopefully we won't have a burn notice this time. I've had one burn notice in all the times that as long as I've had my Instant Pot and my Ninja Foodi. Alright, so I'm going to put this on here. going to make sure it's on on sealing, not venting. I'm going to go down here, and y'all aren't going to be able to see, but I'm going to take this to pressure. All right, I got to turn it off. All right, and then I'm going to turn it back on, go to pressure. I'm going to go 7 minutes and push start. All right, and now that's going to come up to pressure, and I'm going to do a quick release, so I will bring you back when it gets done. Okay, y'all, this is ready, so I'm going to... Okay. All right, now let me take this off. Remember to always lift it away from you. See all that steam that came out? That would have gone right up in my face. Okay, now let's see. Oh gosh, this looks good. All right, now I have got shredded mild cheddar cheese. I'm going to put it all on the top of here. I'm going to close the lid, and I'm going to let this melt. I've got finely shredded mild cheddar cheese, and I'm just going to put a whole bunch on top. It's 2 handfuls. All right, now I'm going to put the lid down, and I'm going to let it sit, and I will bring you back after I've made our plate. Okay, y'all, I'm back. All right, here it is. I've fixed my plate, excuse me, fixed my plate or whatever, and it's cool enough. I mean, it's cool enough for me to eat it or whatever, but I want to ask Dana, and this is Dana. Dana's my new nurse. All right, so Dana, do you like it?
I think it's very good.
All right, she's done eating some of it. All right, I haven't eaten any of it yet, so this is just something that I pulled together. I had to have used the sausage or it was going to go bad, so I just looked in my pantry and saw the Cellentani and the tomatoes, and I put the peppers in there. I'll have everything listed below in the description box. You can see I put the cheese on there, and it's melted. I think you could put any kind of cheese on here and it would be good. Okay, y'all. Oh gosh, this is really good. A little bit spicy, but not too much. I used 1 pound of the hot and 1 pound of the mild, so it does have a little kick to it, but I don't think it's too bad. And here's my homemade bread that I made yesterday, and we put it in the oven, put butter on it, and put it in the oven for a while to eat with this. So I'm telling you, this is really good, really good. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and my Instagram. Also, there'll be links below to different things that I use in my kitchen that you can purchase on Amazon. If you click on them on the bottom, and did purchase some of them there, it does not cost you one penny more than if you went to the Amazon website yourself and bought them. It just does give me a few pennies off of what you purchase, because I am an affiliate for Amazon. So I hope you like this video, and I will talk to you later. Bye.